I'm here today with Taylor Giannis, a recruitment specialist at LMG. Taylor, can you share with us a bit about your journey here and what led you to your current role?
Absolutely. Like most people, I kind of landed in recruitment. So I began working as a consultant, specialising in the banking space. So I saw a role come up here at Loan Market and figured that mortgage broking and banking work similarly in terms of the lending component. So I thought, why not give it a shot? And I've never looked back.
Amazing. What would you say is your favourite part of your role at the moment?
I'd say the collaboration between obviously what we're doing with the education part of the broking industry and how we're revolutionising that in combination with, connecting our what we call talent force, so our talent acquisition team, to really, get people qualified, but more than that, to add value through recruiting them into our LMG businesses.
Taylor, how has your background in banking consultancy influenced how you're a recruiter now in the mortgage broking industry?
It's definitely influenced the prioritization I have on building relationships. The banking world is really fundamentally built on who you know. And I think that really helped me from a recruitment perspective in my previous role. So really moving into the mortgage broking industry with so many of our brokers nationally looking for brokers, having those connections and understanding, first and foremost, the transition from banker to broker was super imperative, but also to meet and build relationships with current brokers within the network, both internally within LMG and externally, really help facilitate a lot of those recruitment transactions.
Amazing. As a recruiter at the moment, what would you say that some of the key qualities are that you look out for?
Look, it goes beyond technical experience. So if you're somebody who's really driven, shows initiative, is able to communicate effectively, really able to pinpoint what it is that you're looking to do in the future. So having a 3 to 5 year plan really gives myself as a recruiter a really thorough understanding as to where to place you, what business might be a good fit, and what business really aligns with your ambitions.
Taylor, what key strategies does LMG adapt to attract the top talent in the mortgage broking industry?
Our Talent Force team prioritises all things proactive. So although we recognise that Seek ads and LinkedIn ads really do, welcome good quality candidates, we really want to prioritise going out on Seek, so Premium Talent Search, LinkedIn Recruiter, and really, formalising a list of people that align with what we're looking for and proactively messaging them, but not only messaging them once, messaging them on a continual basis so that we can build a relationship.
Taylor, what do you believe sets LMG apart in terms of recruitment as compared to other mortgage broker groups?
Absolutely. So all of our LMG brokers have access to specific partnership managers and broker success managers who essentially act as business coaches. So what that enables us to do within the Talent Force team is really work collaboratively, not only with the business owners, but with the business coaches themselves to get a really thorough understanding as to what that particular business needs. So all of our recruitment solutions are essentially tailored to that particular business and what they're looking to do.
Taylor, how important is formal education in the recruitment process when you're looking to hire?
Yeah, it's definitely really important. We prioritise having the Cert 4 and diploma for all of our mortgage brokers as it is an industry requirement. But further to that, a lot of our what we call client service managers or broking support staff have sought out their Cert 4. A lot of our business owners really recognise the importance of a certificate for a diploma in terms of, educating their staff and really allowing them to get a grasp on industry standards and processes so that they can perform at their best within their teams.
Taylor, is there a specific course that you recommend to enhance one's skills and increase their chances of getting hired?
Yeah, absolutely. So LMG's partnered with Enter Education to create Brokerversity. So Brokerversity delivers job-ready skills across the Cert 4 and diploma options, which essentially are customizable. So for our students, they're able to do the self-paced option. They're also able to do a workshop option. And for those that have industry experience, we offer a recognition of prior learning.
Taylor, for our Brokerversity students, what can they expect in terms of recruitment?
So when they're ready to engage with a recruiter, we have a number of dedicated Talent Force specialists nationally. And essentially what we do is we organise an initial conversation. So we really delve into their experience, what they're looking to do. And of course, we recognise the job-ready skills that Brokerversity provides. So we've actually spoken with a number of our business owners in the network and our business owners are really keen to get Brokerversity students into their business. So there are a number of opportunities for our Brokerversity students. So once we have that initial conversation, we really have a look into our broader network and see, well, what roles might be suitable for what they're looking for. And then we start to organise interviews and meet and greets with our business owners.
Taylor, how does LMG support its brokers in terms of professional development and business growth?
So once you're a broker within our LMG network, you receive a lot of support. So we run a number of events across PD days. We run specialized sessions. We have dedicated communities. So for example, if you are a broker, we have communities such as young business owners and a number of others. If you're a specialized lender, for example, if you're in the asset finance or in the commercial space, we have specialized communities for that as well. And if you're a broking support member as well, so if you decide not to step directly into a broking role and step into a broking support role, we also have a community for that as well. We also run daily training. So we run specific Thrive sessions on different topics every single day and have been doing so for many years now. We also run process improvement workshops. So we really delve into what's your end-to-end process from when you speak with a client all the way through to settlement. Are you maximizing your time and making sure that you're making things really smooth for the customer as well as for your support staff and your business? We save you time through our MyCRM system, and we also keep you safe through an integrated compliance. So there's a lot of things that we do here at LMG, and most importantly, what we're really focusing on at the moment is the diversification aspect. So a lot of our brokers in the network, or 90% of them, we're focusing on resi. And what we're looking to do is we're really looking to diversify their businesses and make the most of leads in the asset and commercial space. So yes, quite a bit.
That's very busy, Nathan. What would you say is your favorite part about being a part of the LMG community?
The actual community itself. Everybody is so dedicated to supporting the brokers. There's people that, go above and beyond. We've had a fantastic marketing person of ours in Queensland actually drive out to a business's office on a Saturday to help them with some marketing difficulties they had, which was huge. So, every time I come into the office, there's a huge buzz around, what can we do better? How can we improve our brokers' experience, but also, their performance. So definitely got a real innovative mindset here at LMG.
Sounds like an amazing place to work.
It is.